Hey guys, my name is Chris from Flow Designs. Today we're at Java Detailing Studios and we're going to install some heritage plates on this new Porsche Cayenne GTS. Okay, so we've got our 6-digit number plate bracket here. This is the short version for this particular plate. Let's open up and see what we've got in here. So in the kit, you'll get a set of instructions, some information about the long and short plate. I'll make a separate video for this later on. You'll get your number plate bracket, the tools you need for the install, which is a 4mm Allen key and the security key, which I'll come back to. And fitting kit hardware, you get a set for the bracket to the car and another set for the plate to the bracket. Plenty of options here. It's got all the screws you need for all various cars. So just pick the ones that you need. If not, use the one that's on the car already. The Porsche Cayenne GTS, the first thing you're going to do is remove the existing number plate, if it comes with one, followed by the factory number plate holder. So there's a couple of screws, take them out, you can take that off and just leave that away. Your first step is to install the bracket onto the car. There's various bolt options here. We're going to go with option 1A, which is these M6 connector bolts. Once you've got your bolts chosen out, then the next step is to find out where you want to mount your bracket. So there's a lot of slots here. There's various options. That works there. That's probably a little bit too low. I think we're just going to go with that slot there, and it covers the little indent on the back of the tailgate perfectly. So we'll get these on the car now. The kit does come with Allen keys, but we're just going for the efficient way. Electric hand tools for the win. Put the other one in loosely. And then what you want to do is center it. So you might want to just back off the screws a bit and just find center. There are little indents on the bracket just to help you with a sort of visual guide. Once I find center, I'll tighten them up and I can do my micro adjustments later. Done. Next step is to install your number plate to our bracket. And to do that, our kit comes with 2 sets of hardware that you can choose from. One's the standard bolt. The other one is a security screw. It just increases security for your car because you do need a special key to undo them. And I think that's the one we're going to go for this time. So I might just put these screws in by hand. Like so. And I love how the brass just shows. Same on this side, just make sure you get the bottom one. Otherwise you get a crooked plate, which we don't want. Now that it's on the car loosely, on our kit, it does come with a security key, so you can use that to tighten up the plate. And there we are. We've installed the 6-digit Victorian heritage plate on the Porsche. The best part is we've managed to also delete the factory plate holder, which makes it super, super clean now. So if you need more information, just hit us up, and thanks for watching. How good does it look? Really suits the GTS, isn't it? It's so nice.